Good morning, myself Shiny. Today I am going to explain on the topic pressure exerted by liquid and gases. Last class we discussed on the topic pressure and its applications in our day-to-day life. Pressure exerted by liquid and gases. Normal case, pressure is exerted on solid object, everything. But in case of liquid also, gases also, pressure is exerted. Then in your textbook, they have given 4 activities. First is pressure exerted by a column of liquid. Pressure exerted by a column of liquid. Second one is liquid exert pressure on the walls of the container. Third one is liquid exert equal pressure at the same distance. Last is pressure increases with height. Pressure increases with height or depth. Okay. Then first case, pressure exerted by a column of liquid. In your textbook, they have given this diagram. First, we are to take one glass pipe. What is the speciality of this glass pipe? Both ends open. Upside also, downside also open. One side we are to, that means upside is already open. Downside we are to connected with one balloon. Okay. Then this connected with one stand. Okay. Then after that we are to pour water. On the upside we are to pour water. Then what happened? Water, if you are added more water, then pressure is more. Then because of that reason, here it will bulge. Bulge means coming out. Okay. This is the first diagram. From this experiment, we can identify that pressure exerted by a column of liquid. Liquid also having pressure. If we are applying more water, it will bulge. After some time, due to this pressure, it will blast also. Next, second case, liquid exert pressure on the walls of the container. This is second activity diagram only. First, we are to take one bottle. Plastic bottle we are to take. Transparent plastic bottle you can take. Then after that, one side, only one side you have to open. This side is small, one pipe, small pipe you have to connect it. Then after that, here one side, this pipe, this side is open. Here you have to connect to one balloon. Then after that we have to pour again water. Add water. Then what happened? Due to this pressure, this side it will bulge again. Okay. Then they are telling that this side one side only we are connected. Then liquid exerted pressure on the walls of the container. Next one is, third activity is liquid exert equal pressure at the same distance. How to do this experiment? You have to take one big bottle, plastic bottle. Then same distance, that means one is left side, you have to make one hole. Then right side also you have to make one hole. Front side also, otherwise back side also you have to make one hole. Okay, this is from same distance. That's compulsory. Same distance you have to make different size holes. Then what happened? After that we have to pour water. Due to this pressure, water will, this hole is already here, pressure will come out. This distance is equal. We can predict from this experiment that water it will go outside, that distance is equal. Okay, from here to this distance, from front side to this distance, here to this distance, that is equal. That's only third activity, liquid exert equal pressure pressure at the same distance. Last one is pressure increases with height or depth. Pressure increases with the height or depth. We are considering in case of liquid. Aeroplane, we are told that according to height, pressure it will decrease. But in case of liquid, pressure increases with the height or depth. For example, first we have to take one bottle. Okay? First we have to take one bottle, like this big bottle you can take. Okay? After that, you have to make one connection, one hole here, downside. Near to the bottom, you can make one hole. Then center side, you can make another hole again. Then top of that bottle, you can make another hole. 3 holes you have to make with different distance. From bottom to this distance is maybe 5 centimeter, 2 or 3 centimeter. Again 3 6 centimeter, again 3 9 centimeter. Like this different distance you can make 3 holes. After, what you have to do? We have to pour water. Automatically you know that 3 holes are there. Water will come out. Then first one. Okay. This distance is more. It will come out. This distance is more. Again next second hole. This distance is compared to first one. From here to here, this distance is less. Third one is near to that. This distance is again less. Then according to that depth. According to depth, what happened? This distance is more. Then pressure is more. Okay. That's our last activity. Pressure increases with height or depth. For example, we are considering dam. Okay. Dam we are considering. That means dam means water storing. Okay. Like this dam. If you are seeing this type of dam, you can identify that upside is less concrete wall, but here is downside. This side, like this shape, it is different. Upside is less concrete wall. Downside is more, very big concrete walls they are using. Why they are using this type of concrete wall? Due to this pressure. Depth increases water storage. We can store lot of water. We can't predict also. Then according to depth, pressure it will increase. Due to this pressure, sometime what happen? These walls will broken. Due to that reason, in this dam, we are downside. We are using big concrete wall. Thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss on the topic friction.